Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to fix Hey Siri not working on any iPhone. Now to do that, first of all, just make sure that you are connected to the internet because Siri requires internet to work. Now for that, just swipe down from the top right of the screen and open the control center. And now just open the connection section in your control center and make sure that airplane mode is disabled and you are connected either to the Wi-Fi or to the cellular data. Now, once you have done that, and if this did not fix your issue, just force restart your iPhone. Now, to do that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Now, just press and hold the power button until the screen of your iPhone goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Now, once the Apple logo appears on the screen, just release the power button. Now, after you do that, just open Settings. Then go to Apple Intelligence, and from here you will find the option of Talk to Siri. Just tap on it, and from here, if Siri is enabled, just disable it, then enable it back on. Now just select Enable Siri. Now just tap on Continue. Now just say the following sentences. Siri, how's the weather? Hey Siri, send a message. Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, get directions home. Siri, play some music. Now once you set up Siri, just tap on Done. Now just tap on Not Now. Now just enable this toggle and enable press side button for Siri. Now from here just check if Siri is working or not. Hey Siri, what is the weather in Chicago? And this is how you can fix Hey Siri not working on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.